can also be an entrance zone. We've seen this, so they just have flex space. Again, this is mid-build, mid-design. We've had a wall laid out right here between the posts so that the couch can sit there. That can be a flex space, a bedroom behind it, anything you want. It's quite nice as it is right now. They've got the couch right here. Here's the upstairs loft. And I thought we would just do a quick tour. Here's the mechanical room. This is the SunSense controller. This is the main level bathroom that's coming together. And I thought we'd go up the stairs. They're laying down some cork flooring. Here's the transition between drywall and then the steel framing from the kit. Really cool handrail. I like that a lot. Curvy. And now we're upstairs. So you could potentially be looking down at the kitchen. They have a sauna. But again, this could be a bedroom, office, flex space. And then this is really nice. They've got a soaking tub. So again, it's nice to be able to get a feel of what a finished Vesta could look like. And then we'll just spin around from the east wall and look west. And the nice thing about up here is that you have outside views and very lush greenhouse views, which is nice to see. I mean, even from up here, you're looking at your plants in the greenhouse that are just taking in the sun and making a lot of peppers. So these guys are really just getting started in here, but as you can see, the greenhouse is really happening. She's trying to do a slightly higher humidity zone in here, and you'll see she's got some citrus, a few bananas, testing out if higher humidity would be beneficial for these plants. And then as we move into the greenhouse, you've got basil, citrus. This is a working greenhouse, so excuse the broom. Here's some, lot of little, I'm guessing these are lemons. Nasturtium, which is an edible flower. This is like a lemon balm. And then we start getting into the tomatoes, which are hitting the ceiling. And she said they've been fruiting for months. This is olive, which is kind of fun. Let's just make sure these taste good. This is avocado. This is mint. And then we're in the pepper forest. Here's some more olive, which is kind of fun. Now, I'm not a pepper expert, but whatever these are, they're red and probably spicy and delicious. I think these are spicier. And then over here, I have no idea what these are. I do know there's a few hatch chilies going on. There's a variety of peppers, pretty big. These are jalapeno, I would guess. Probably ready for harvest. And it just continues. There's a lot more peppers. Bell, yeah, bell. So peppers like the greenhouse. And here's one more tower with even more peppers.